What's going on, guys? Out here in Florida today. Made the trip down here from Missouri. We initially came down for a Florida Ski Riders ride, and we never got a memo that it was canceled. Unfortunately, I would have to guess maybe it had something to do with that hurricane stuff from down here, but came in at the Bel Air boat ramp today. We've been putting in at the Pinellas County ramp. Unfortunately, we had to drive through like so many small wake zones. It took us like 30 minutes to get to the ocean, so we tried a different one today, but this one's not the best for skis because I mean it is super choppy out here, and I think it's more set up for bigger boats at this ramp, so I actually like the other one better. But we're gonna head down to Tampa today. We're gonna go right through Tampa Bay, so let's go. Some dolphins yesterday, and saw some sharks too. Dolphin ride.
Follow them, get the dolphin. That's the first other person I've seen with a jet blaster.
Yeah? You ready?
Yeah.
Definitely a lot more choppy out here today than it was yesterday. It was pretty calm in the ocean yesterday.
Jumped out of the water over there.
Probably a shark.
Sharks don't jump, but maybe. But it was a dolphin.
Once we get to the ocean. Tampa's that way, so he'll notice here in a second, and we'll head down. Oh, it's so freaking beautiful out here. We did a bunch of riding yesterday. We found some some little sandbars, and we beached up in like 2 foot of water. The water's so clear, especially when you can see the sand through the bottom. Oh, we had it lucky yesterday. It was damn near smooth yesterday, so it's gonna be a little rougher today. Where he's going, man? Oh, it's a whole lot rougher today.
No, I know. I think we would have more luck going that way with the current.
I mean, we have to come back against it when we come back.
No?
Well, I mean, there's no difference in going that way.
Yeah. Say that my eyes are getting full of water on that one, so I'm gonna try my full face goggles and see if that helps out, because these waves are coming right over the front of the ski. Snowboard goggles are on, so let's see if this helps. All right, guys, the snowboard goggles were working great, but I wanted to record this, so back to the regular goggles or glasses.
got a storm rolling in. Guys, we'd never made it to Tampa Bay. It got way too crazy out here. We should have checked the weather because the last time we looked, it was supposed to be like a nice sunny day. And it turned out to be, what do you think? We had like 3-4 foot waves out here or what?
4 to 5, yeah.
4 to 5 footers. We rode halfway to Tampa from, what was that called? Belladesi Island, or Belladesi, I think is where we put in. We rode halfway to Tampa and we decided it was a little too much and we weren't sure if he was gonna make it on gas, so we decided to turn around. And at that point I started feeling seasick, so we just kind of found a chill spot and chilled there for a while, had some lunch, and finally started feeling better. And then now we are just trying to finish off the day before we head back to Missouri. Trying to move to Tampa or what?
Tampa Bay. Well, we didn't go.
We didn't actually make it to Tampa Bay, but
can't rate that.
maybe next time.
Down here.
It's a long drive.
Drive down here about a 6 out of 10. It actually was not that bad until the last like 4 hours.
Yeah, the last 4 hours.
Drive. Then I give the trip itself a 9 out of 10. If we were staying one more day, it'd be a 10.
All right, how's the Jet Blaster doing out here?
Dude, it's amazing.
Jet Blaster's killing it.
Yeah. No complaints on it.
We got the Waves RX anchor out there holding us up. Yeah, I mean, we got the 5-gallon gas can. We need to see if he can get one on his. But we think we can make it work.
Oh, dude, I bet if you put it off right now, slap it on there.
This thing has come in handy though, because I got my cooler back here now and 5 gallons of gas, so I actually have so much more room up in the front of my cargo area. I think we're gonna get ready to head out here soon. Peace.